In this quick video walkthrough, we'll demonstrate how to mirror your screen with your Chromebook or use your projector as an extended screen when you're projecting in your classroom. To get started, head down to the launcher in the bottom right corner of your Chromebook. That will show a short list of applications on your device. Click the up arrow to reveal all of the applications on the Chromebook. What we're looking for is the settings application, this blue gear. Tap on that and the settings of your device will open. With the settings open, the first thing you should do is right-click on the settings and pin the settings app to your toolbar so you never have to look for it again. Now scroll down on the settings page and look for displays. When you tap on displays, if your Chromebook is connected to a projector, you will see built-in display, that's the screen of your Chromebook, and then the name of the projector, usually off to the right. Now if you click on the small button to mirror the display, notice it condenses to one screen. That will show everything on your Chromebook on your projector. If you uncheck the box, now you'll see two displays, your Chromebook and the connected projector. With the Chromebook connected to a projector, in mirroring mode, anything that's on the screen of our Chromebook will be mirrored or duplicated on the projector screen. To change this setup and to go into extended mode, let's head back to settings, uncheck mirror, and now we have two displays, the screen of our Chromebook and our connected projector. Notice with mirroring turned off, what we can see on our Chromebook is not displayed on our projector. To do so, we need to take a tab from our Chromebook and drag it all the way off to the right of our screen, and then it will appear on the projector screen almost as if the projector is acting as a second monitor. As you can see here, what I have projected from my Chromebook through the projector and what I have on the Chromebook screen are two different displays. You can also decide which way you would like to drag your content off of your Chromebook. Head into your settings, and if your projector is to the left of your Chromebook, drag the projector screen to the left of the built-in display. Now you can drag your content to the left instead of to the right, like I have in my setup. So notice here, now I have content on my screen, and if I'd like to drag it onto my projector, which is to the left of my Chromebook, I'll drag that tab to the left off of my Chromebook screen. It will then appear on my projector, and I can make that go full screen. And now what I have on my projector is different than what I have on my Chromebook. And then again, if you would like to toggle back and forth between extended screen and mirrored, head to your settings and you can always click the mirror built-in display, and then whatever is on your Chromebook will be projected on the screen in your classroom. Thanks for watching this quick video walkthrough on projecting with your Chromebook with mirrored or extended displays.